Hello and welcome to a video on calculations involving solutions. This video is aimed at National 5 level chemistry. So today we're going to look at this triangle here, which is the relationship between number of moles, concentration and volume. And this is what we use when we're calculating concentration, volume and number of moles in titration reactions. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples of how we use this. Okay, so here we have an example of sodium hydroxide reacting with hydrochloric acid to produce sodium chloride plus water. So it's acid-base reaction to form salt and your water. Okay, so we're told that 15 centimeters of a solution of 0.2 mole per liter sodium hydroxide neutralizes 50 centimeters of a solution of hydrochloric acid. What is the concentration of the acid? Okay, so we can work out, as we've got a volume here of sodium hydroxide and we've got the concentration of hydroxide, using this triangle here, we can work out the number of moles. Number of moles is concentration times volume. Okay, so we can write moles of sodium hydroxide is equal to concentration times volume. Now your volume is going to be in liters, so 15 centimeters cubed will be 0.2 mole per liter times 15 centimeters cubed, which is 0.015 liters. Okay, so the number of moles, when we do that calculation, gives you 0.003 moles. Okay, now if we go back up to look at the equation here, we can see that we've got sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. They're a 1-to-1 mole ratio. So if we've got 0.003 here, we're going to have 0.003 moles here. Okay, so now we've got a number of moles of hydrochloric acid. We then know that 50 centimeters cubed of hydrochloric acid was used. So the question is, what is the concentration of the acid? So again, if we go back to this triangle, concentration is number of moles divided by volume. So the concentration of the acid, HCl, is equal to number of moles divided by volume in liters. The number of moles is 0.003, and that's over volume, which is 0.05. 50 centimeters cubed is 0.05, and that gives us moles per liter. Let's have a look at another example here. So we've got potassium hydroxide, and we have nitric acid, and it forms potassium nitrate plus water. Okay, so we're told that 20 centimeters cubed of a solution of 0.2 potassium hydroxide neutralizes 50 centimeters of nitric acid. What is the concentration of the acid? So again, we can do moles of potassium hydroxide is equal to concentration times volume. So again, we've got 0.2, we times that by 0.02, so this is your volume in liters, this is the concentration. So that then gives you the number of moles of 0.004 moles. If we go back up and we look at the mole ratio, it's 1-to-1. So there's going to be 0.004 moles here and 0.004 moles here. Okay, so now we've got 50 centimeters cubed of the nitric acid. We know the number of moles, so we can calculate the concentration. Concentration HNO3 is equal to number of moles over volume, which is 0.004, 50 centimeters cubed. That gives you 0.08 mole per liter. And we've got a final example here where we have lithium hydroxide added to sulfuric acid to form lithium sulfate plus water. What volumes of a solution of 0.25 H2SO4 is needed to neutralize 40 centimeters of a solution of 0.1 mole lithium hydroxide? So it's slightly different this time. They're asking us to work out the volume. Okay, so if we go and work out the number of moles of lithium hydroxide first, so moles of lithium hydroxide is equal to C times V, which is 0.15 times volume. It's 40 centimeters cubed, so it's 0.04 liters. Okay, so that then gives us 0.006 moles. Okay, so we then can work out the volume. So the volume. So the volume of the acid, if we go back to this triangle here, volume is number of moles divided by concentration. So volume is number of moles over concentration. We've worked out the number of moles of lithium. So lithium, if there's 0.006 moles here, then there's 0.003 moles because it's a 2-to-1 mole ratio. Okay, so volume is number of moles divided by concentration, so that is 0.003 over and that gives us 0.012, and that's liters, which is 12 mil or cubic centimeters. Thank you for listening. I hope you found that tutorial useful. Please check my website for more videos, agradtuition.com. Thank you.